The first step of connecting to Swan Chain is set up a config. Here we show an example how to using Golang to connect to Swan RPC. So first of all, you need to open a project. In IDE, we are using IntelliJ here. We have a config function, which is set up the RPC URL. We put the testnet as our target chain. So we have another test using a test framework for easily testing the connections. So here we set up a timeout of 3 seconds, and we dare to connect the RPC URL. If it's success, it will return the network ID. Otherwise, it will tell you like fail to get connected. Let's try it. We can see here, we get the network ID and we get the latest block number. The test is successfully passed. So here we successfully get the first step of set up the Swan network. The second step will check a balance. So here is the account we have. In order to get some balance, you need first to get some fund transfer from other account. In case you already have the fund here, you can using the account set up account address here, and the same way you build in the connections, and then you get the balance at using the function of client balance at this address. In order to make it more readable, we divide by the 18 zeros, so we can get a more human readable number instead of GV. You can see here this account balance is 00449. Yeah, all the code has been put in here. If you want to check what is the balance of that account, you can go here. Yeah, so just double click, copy the account. Here we go. We saw the account balance. If you're interested about how it works and you want to reproduce it by yourself, you can go check that page. Thank you.